This is the part that shocked the heck out of me. This is a full-size, queen-size air mattress and frame in this phenomenally structured quality case, and I'm about to show you exactly how easy it is for someone like me to get ready for visitors. That's the biggest reason I wanted this. So before I open this up and show you, come on in and look how amazing is this case. So not only is it great to be able to move it around with, but it is excellent to be able to store it with. It has those heavy duty wheels at the bottom, reinforcements, because it does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not incredibly heavy. Look how heavy duty but smooth these zippers run. The case itself is phenomenal, but nobody's sleeping on the case. So let's get this out and see how easy it is to set up, and then how easy it is to get it to go back into this case, because that's always the game. So let's get this thing out. This is what you get as you unzip it. So you might think you want to take this out of the case. It actually stays attached to the case, which I love because that's one of the big keys in getting it back in said case. So come on around to the side. I'm going to show you the actual switch mechanism here. It's inflate, off, and deflate. That's it, along with your little port for your cable. This, though, does not need to be plugged in order to get it to work. It works on a charge. So they suggest every 5 months charging the battery, but this is actually going to not just inflate my mattress, but open up my entire frame in a matter of minutes. That's it. It literally blew up the mattress and set up my frame for me in a matter of roughly 2 minutes. I have this ready to go, and I have an incredibly comfortable and durable mattress that can be used for guests or fur babies, apparently. But that's half of the magic of this thing. So not only was that easy, it is also incredibly durable. That frame has a lot of strength. So the frame itself is incredible, but the fact that it's going to be every bit as easy to deflate and get back in that case is the part that I love. So let me show you that process. Nothing more. Come back over and hit my deflate after I turn my valve open, and then I can get this to shrink right back in and close the frame on itself. You can see it's already getting up off the floor and pulling the frame back in on itself. What an incredibly amazing way to not struggle and fight with an air mattress. And on top of that, to have an air mattress that's not just thrown on the floor for your guests. This is phenomenal. So let's give it a few minutes. I'll fast forward through it closing down on itself so you can see how it works. We'll get it zipped up and give you my final thoughts. I wanted to cut in here for a moment and show you how the actual frame works. It has these heavy duty canvas straps as the sling, that work to keep that mattress nice and firm inside the frame itself. Okay, once you hear that your pump is to the point where it can no longer pull any of the air, I'm gonna put that in the off position, and then it's just a matter of taking what is the foot of the frame and pushing it back in to the center, and I have this ready to wrap up again in its very incredible case. And I am one happy host because that is the entire extent of setting up a little bit nicer than a full queen mattress on the floor. This is just a phenomenal way, not just for having something for guests, but if I were somebody who was traveling to, say, my parents for a longer stay and they didn't have a guest bedroom, this is something that is so compact and so ready to travel with that would make it nice for everybody. So I highly recommend this thing. This was sent out by the brand so I could get a good look, but this is something that is just a phenomenal addition to the way we are able to treat our guests.